Hello there, it's me, Sebastian again, and today is different because today is day 5. 5 and 7 are my favorites number. So, yeah. So, the time is 14:44 p.m. Today we are not making this video at 4 a.m. in the morning, but afternoon. And today is Sunday, 19 July 2026, and today is my rest day. So, at first, I'll provide my reason to why day 4 was hectic and I made only a video of 2 minutes. So, as I said, day 4 was very bad because someone was rude to me and I took it to my heart. But ChatGPT consoled me and gave me good advice to give it time. And after a day, I felt okay. And also, I made it just 2 minutes because I had to answer the nature's call and had to go to the gym. So I thought making a video about telling about an action or doing an action, what option is better? So I chose option 2. Doing the real action is much more better. And today is day 5. So today I also woke up at 4. My plan was to go to run because I haven't run in 4 days almost. Because when I last ran 2 kilometers, my left foot started hurting and it's still hurting right now. So I tried seeing if my leg would support me, but because it was a Sunday and my leg was not okay, so I said, let's let it go. And I didn't run. I just went back to sleep again. So yeah, I ruined my momentum, but what can I do? I can't pressure my leg into an injury. So that was both the reason for day 4's rushed video and a shit day. And now, after the day 4 ended, so I went to the shop at around 8 in the night, 8:30 p.m. So I went to the shop. I talked to the owner. I presented my case. I told him what could I do, when I would be available. He was not like happy because he needs a worker, but he needs someone who does a full time for whole week. And I'm just going 2 weekends on 2 weekend days or 1 day if I take absent because I have 75% attendance in mandatory in my college or any festival day. Like if it's a festival, it's a holiday for the college. So I can go. I have no issue with it. I'm not that much of a festive person at all. So I told him and he told me that he'll reply in a day. But yeah, the day, half a day is already gone and there's no reply yet. So I'll wait till the night. I'm thinking of maybe I should call him back, but it would be shamelessness. I guess I'll decide it later. But this is my day 5, day Sunday. And today because also did not do any physical exercise, etc. So after I woke up, I started vibe coding my projects. I was working simultaneously on 2 projects. The AI was working concurrently on them. Yeah, it's a little complex because you can mess up the 2 things if you do them at same time. If you do something that was related to this, but it should have gone to this, then the whole thing get messed up. And I have done these mistakes. Like if you gave an agent that's working on, let's say, project 1, a prompt about project 2, then it will get confused and ruin its progress, also waste the context, also waste the tokens and the context In AI, context matters a lot, and tokens also cost. So, yes, speaking of tokens, my AI agent just dropped me a message that my tokens for the month have been used or so, and my limit will be reset this evening. I hope so, just that it doesn't collapse and I still have the limit for the month because I need to work. And there's almost a week left. If I don't have AI to code on it, then it will be a waste of my time also. So, yeah, the part time job, I have essentially given my first interview. It was not like an interview, nothing formal. I just said to them what I wanted. They presented their case, I presented their case, and then I'm just waiting for reply. So, yeah, what I learned from this part time is just to ask. I heard it on Insta that you should ask. If you want anything, at least ask. What matters is asking. In probability, simple probability, there's 50% chance of a coin flip. It can be either heads or tails. So you can get an answer yes or no. I got one medal. My coin is standing up. But yeah, I'll wait a day, then I'll maybe message him or contact him. And it's not like this part time means my life to it. I heard this another quote on Insta that you have to ride a donkey to get your first horse or get your horse. I'm not sure what does it actually is because it's a Chinese quote and she translated it in English. Chinese is a very complex language. You can't just translate it directly and get the straight of meaning. I also want to learn Mandarin, but yeah, it's a lot lesser priority right now in the bucket list. First, I'm doing Python, then I'm vibe coding, then I'm doing gym, and then this, if this part time I get it, then it's sure a lot my whole day is packed when I learn Mandarin. It's just like my Python starting days. I did it someday, then skipped many days, then I did it again. I can speak some words like ni hao, wo ai ni, I love you, Chudaula, I understand, Xiōngdì, friend. Bǎobèi is for I think baby, and yeah, this much I know. It's like a hobby for me, which I want, not that I have. Chinese is because Mandarin is a very complex language, so I'll have to give it a lot of time. But yeah, it's a lesser priority thing right now. We need to take care of urgent things. And for this part time, even if I get this job or not, it's necessary at least to earn some bucks because I'm always the one with no money, no bucks on him guy. It's not good to be always looking towards the other person to pay for you. As a person, you should be responsible for your expenses. Not like I'm not talking like I'll take care of all my expenses and I'll pay my parents for the food, for the housing, for the clothes, for the college fees. Nah, that's way above my caliber right now. I can't be paying thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars every month. And even if I could do, I wouldn't be able to repay my parents for this 20 years of upbringing of mine. Yeah, so this was it. The reason for day 4 and my day 5. So, yeah, I'll try not to skip making videos any day, even if it's just a minute or 10 minutes, but I'll try making it regularly. And today, I forgot to tell, today in Python. So, yesterday and today in Python, I watched the tutorial from Bro Code and I learned class and now I just have learned class variables, but I haven't practiced on class variables. I just practiced on class. It was like full on grind on class. So I made a program about a bank, like a simple ATM program where you check your balance with show balance, check your deposit with deposit method, then you withdraw method, then transfer method. So the program was not made in one full step. I made it a basic thing like class objects, then I started making it, tweaking it, then got to ChatGPT. It told me the bugs, then I tried fixing it, then I got back, then this cycle was repeated again and again. Then when I finally achieved a stable version of it, ChatGPT gave me some improvements to add, like some recommendations, like transfer was a recommendation, which is a basic feature in banking industry. Like I am transferring money to another guy. But for me, it was a new idea, new thing. So I had to think it through and then code it. Because now I've realized the hard part is not coding at all. It's the thinking, like syntax, typing syntax. If someone tells me, explains me it correctly, I can type all the syntax right now, at least up to my level. Uh, like how much I have seen the basic syntax and of Python and codes of Python. But the hard part for me right now is to get the explanation right in my head, to get the flow, understand things, understand the nature of the program and what I want from it. And when that's clear, the syntax is the easy part for me now, at least at my level. So I use ChatGPT as my Python coach, and it's helping me quite a lot. So that's what is. And today I'll work on class variables, and on day 6 you'll get to know class variables. So bye bye.